Cocaine seized at the Norman Manley Airport. For the second time in just over 2 weeks, the work of the K9 division had led to the seizure of an illegal drug, this time at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston on Thursday, May 21. Reports are that about 3:30 p.m., a cocaine team including a police dog named Emma was checking cargo from an outgoing flight while the animal detected anomalies. The team then inspected air conditioning compressors and found cocaine hidden inside. The items were seized and have since been handed over to the Narcotics Division, where detectives are continuing their investigations. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.